Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Node.js tutorial. In this video, we will talk about one of the built-in module of Node.js, which is OS module. With the help of OS module, we can easily get OS-specific information like OS architecture, platform, network interfaces, kernel version, CPU, and memory usage, etc. So let's get started. To use OS module, first we need to include OS module in our application. Here I am using built-in require function to include OS module. Now let's use the OS module APIs. Suppose we want to get hostname of the system, then we can use hostname method to do this. Let's do this. os.hostname. So basically the os.hostname return a string of hostname. Let's print hostname is. Now let's run the application node app.js. Here you can see hostname is Sumit MacBook Pro.local. Now, if we want to identify the operating system, then we can use platform method. Let's use this. Let platform equal os.platform. Let's print the result. Now let's start the application again. As you can see, it returns Darwin. Here we are getting Darwin because we are running script in Mac OS. If the operating system is Linux, then os.platform will return Linux. If the operating system is Windows, then it will return Win32. Now let's play with some memory APIs. Suppose we want to get total memory of system or total RAM of this system, then we can use os.totalmem method. Let's use this method. os.totalmem. So basically os.totalmem method returns the total amount of system memory in bytes as an integer. Let's run the application again. Here you can see total memory is in bytes. Now let's see total memory in GB. Save. Let's run the application again. As you can see, total memory is 8 GB. So in the same way, we can get free memory by using os.freemem method. Let's use os.freemem. Basically, os.freemem function returns free memory in bytes. Let's run it again. Here you can see the available free memory. Each time free memory is different. If you want to get information about the CPU uses, then we can use os.cpus method. Let's use this method. os.cpus. Basically, the os.cpus method returns an array of objects containing information about each logical CPU core. Let's print the result. Here you can see. So have we have seen that how we can use OS module APIs to get OS specific information. That's the end of this video. In next video, we will talk about another built-in module of Node.js. Thanks for watching.